and the cleanup continues. I want to show you guys what I found on the hair, because this is some of the things that when you got an eye, when you got a good eye, you will see it. So I'm going to show you what the good side looks like. If we focus in there, the quarter panel work is nice and clean, all factory. We're looking at that line in there. If it focuses, right? You can kind of see it in there, yeah. Now let's take a look at one that has had repair done to it. If I can get the camera to focus, there it is. Look at that work. No bueno. That leaves room for water intrusion, trash work. Something about the driver's side on the Supra as well. This one's the right-hand side, so this one is gonna be considered the passenger side, right? Always on this side on the Supras. Always. This one's got a hole there for whatever reason. Maybe that's where they hooked it and pulled it or whatever they did. But look at that. Water intrusion there. Down here, it looks like, whoa, what happened there? What happened there? Down here, there's Gap City. Up there, Gap City. So I think this is a perfect candidate to clean this all up as we've done in the past and leave it OEM. Back here we can tell the car's is been kissed. She's been kissed in the back, because that is where the clip goes, and you can see the bumper doesn't reach. You can see it here, they're crumpled. So this whole corner has been pushed in, and it's a reman bumper. It's a replacement bumper from Toyota. We're gonna go ahead and take care of this. Stay tuned, because this build is getting wild. We're gonna make it look like this. You see, that's how it's supposed to look like. Nice, tight, clean. That's what it's supposed to look like, and that's what we got. No bueno, no bueno, no bueno. Let's seam seal all of this, clean this all up, undercoat it. Why not? Because it's a pretty one. This is a pretty one. Gotta make it right. There's some builds up here. This is what's going in it. Shh, it's hiding under here. Shh, should I show it to you? No, not yet. Tell a friend or tell a friend. This other one here is for a swap. Granas 6-speed swap going into this one. The one outside is already ready to go. Tell a friend or tell a friend. No hack zone, straight passion. This one already got the Grana swap. This is one way to do it. It comes with this adapter piece. I call it an adapter piece for the tunnel. It works as long as you seam seal it all the way around. This one was done by himself. Granas himself did this one. So look at that. It's nice, sealed up, undercoated, black paint, no water, nothing getting in there, no heat, no fumes. Very well done. Very well done. I like that. I like that. We're gonna change this rear end over to a 9-inch. The list is big. Also, new suspension parts, the whole catalog of Powerhouse Racing suspension parts, exhaust, titanium, you name it. I'm gonna try to video as much as I can, but your boy, I'm flat rate. And if you know what flat rate is, flat rate. So I'm gonna try for you guys. Tell a friend, you know the name.